Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on 8Ball Pool. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the 8Ball Pool game, and if you have already logged into your account, then you will be taken into this homepage. Now from the homepage, just tap on your profile icon at the top left corner, and this will take you into your profile settings page. Now from the settings page, you will be able to find your name alongside your profile picture. Just tap on the edit icon at the right side of your name, and now you can select your desired username. Just note that only the first name change is free, so you might have to pay later on, so make sure you make wise use of this free name change. After typing in your desired name, tap on the confirm button, and now as you can see, the name has been changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name on 8Ball Pool game. Now as mentioned earlier, the next time you wish to choose your name, you might have to pay for it. But as it turns out, you will have to wait a few days. So that's probably not that much of a bad news. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name on the 8Ball Pool game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.